Get excited about the 2015 Honda Odyssey. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Honda's comprehensive certification process. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.